So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Jntu Explainer. From today, the exercising of web options is going to start, and see, a lot of students are still confused how to keep the web options. So today in this video, we will discuss everything about that. But before directly keeping the web options, we need to process a lot of steps. So we'll start from the candidates registration. After you go for certificate verification, you need to do this before, not before you're completing of certificate verification. So let's do this. So once you complete this candidates registration step, you will be taken to this home page where you need to enter the password and you need to re-enter the password and your mobile number and your email ID. Then the password is created. Now once you complete the registration and password creation, you will be shown something like there are some points that you should read. Now you should log out and you should log in after creating of the password. So once you complete all the processes, this is the login page where you need to enter the details, your password, your login ID, your hall ticket number, your date of birth, and then the CAPTCHA. Then you will be able to keep the web options. So let's do this. So hey guys, this is the web page that you will see after doing all the processes, and this is the final page where you can, like in the next process, you can keep the web options. And here when you enter the mobile number and you like verify yourself, then that's the place where you can start keeping the web options. So this is the page you will see after entering the OTP, and here at the right side you will see all the list of courses that are available. For example, in the group MBA you will have MBA Master of Business Administration, MBT Travel and Tourism Management, or Tourism and Travel Management, vice versa, and MTH MBA Tourism and Hospitality, and MTM MBA Technology Management. And in group MCA you will only have Masters of Computer Applications. And in the left side you will see all the districts where the colleges are available or where you want to study. For example, I will go with Hyderabad, and then Medak and Medchel, along with Rangareddy. Now display options entry form. Here you will see your details at the top. At the top left you will see your name, your gender and caste, and on the top right you will see your father name, your rank, and your phone number. And here you will be seeing the last save options, number of last save options. And if you want to do like entry between the options, for example, if I have selected 4 5 and then again you want to do, then you can do here. And in the save options, here you have, by clicking this you can save options, and to print your all web options you have to click here, and to change the password you can click here, and this means logout. Now here all the colleges are available in alphabetic order. That means all the colleges and the courses that they are available are placed here. Now what I will be doing is, if I want this college which is in Hyderabad and for doing MBA, then I will click 1 over here. In the same way, these are the options that you can do. So please keep in your mind that if you are ready with the preferences, then keep the options as per the preference. Don't start 1 2 3 4 5 like this, and always go in alphabetical order. Don't change your order. For example, if you have started from 1, then go in the order 2 3 4 5 6 7, and these the colors I already explained you. For example, if you are someone who only wants a seat in minority colleges, then here the color for minority is green, and the colleges whichever are in green you only target them, so that you will easily get a seat in minority colleges. Or if you are someone whose rank is between 1 to 100 or 200 and you only want to go in university, then start keeping your preferences from blue color, and then go for private colleges because your rank is good. Don't think that if your rank, even if your rank is 1, then go for at least 10 to 20 options, because nothing is in our hands. So sometimes you can even don't get a seat with a very good rank. And now if you want to enter between options, then for example I will save some 3-4 options, and then I will go to the bottom and I will save options. Okay, here you need to enter your hall ticket number. Right now, as I don't have his hall ticket number, I will go with like simple explanation. Here you need to enter all the options, and then you need to go and save the options, and then here by clicking here you can enter the options. Before not saving any of the option you cannot go. At least you need to save 5, and then if you want to enter any option in between 5, or you want to change the preferences, you can do that. And if you want to do MCA, these are the colleges which provide MCA. Like, it has around 58 colleges, and these 58 colleges provide MCA. So if you are a student of MCA, don't waste your time over here searching for MBA. Directly come to MCA and target these colleges over here. And if you are someone who wants to, like, you're not clear with what you want to do, then first you can keep for MBA. Then if you are someone who wants to do special courses, then in only limited colleges there are available here, you target this, and then you go to, like, after completing all the MBA quota, go for MCA. Don't keep like in order way which you cannot understand at the end. So go in a preference order by creating the web options list and follow that list. And before keeping the web options, it should be clear in your mind that what you want to do and what are your preferences you are going to keep as per your mindset and your rank. So be clear before keeping anything, because once you keep and once you save, yes, you can edit, but at the time of freezing it should be like as per your mindset, not by doing any mistakes. Because, and by mistakenly if you get that college which you don't want, you will regret for another like in your entire college life. And see, after completing everything, for every 10 to 15 options, or every 5 to 10 options, save the options here, and then go for, like, for checking the saved options or entering between the options. So without saving you cannot do that. And don't keep around 30-40 colleges or 30-40 web options and then save. This is a government website, so after every 5 to 10 try to save the options. And if you have any other doubt, you can, like, write down in the comment section. I will try to answer you all. And for the next 2-3 days I will give web options for all the students, so just mention your rank. I'll try to give you a web options list. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.